I haven't been able to sleep these days. It's not because I'm tired, but because my mind keeps asking me the same thing every day. Is this really the life I wanted? Every morning feels the same. Waking up, getting ready, go to work, and then do it all over again. Sometimes it feels like I'm living the same day on repeat. But you know something? There is another version of me. The one who dreams of empty and beautiful roads, who loves to climb mountains, see the beauty of nature, witness the golden sunsets, and telling stories through my camera. Because when I travel, I don't just see the world, I feel alive. Hey, I'm Joe, and I love traveling and documenting life like it's a movie. So today, I'm taking the first step towards building the life I've ever dreamed of. Will it be easy? Probably not. But will it worth it? I guess we'll find out together. If you have ever felt stuck or dreamed of a different life, just come along. And this is just the beginning.